points. Crack on with our schedule. Here he is doing some more stunts. One leg on the back, the other on the foot peg, and standing the bike up, one-handed, rotating wheelie. Incredible throttle control and balance. Spins it back round to have another go. There, one of the burnouts. Full throttle with the front brake on. And pirouetting as he does it. Brilliant stuff.